We're driving into the Calusa National Wildlife Refuge before dawn, and the conditions are perfect. It is liquid light. Birds are great photographic subjects because you can do so many different things with them. Here comes another bird. This is an ibis, look at it. Not just a conventional portraiture, you can make them part of landscapes, render them more artistically, and I like to show them in flight. I've been photographing birds all over the world. You need to understand the techniques that allow you to focus on your creativity and the birds in front of you. Snow geese in flight, here we go. That was a rush. Photography of animals to me is not just about making them beautiful. There's a vitality in nature and there's a dignity in animals, and that is what I want to get across.